Good evening, everyone. We're live at 9:15, and we're running a mini for Matt's 12-back winner's choice. Nice choice to have. I got 54 spots. Whoops, that I went a little beyond. That I got to copy and take over to random to find our top 4. So hopefully I paste over here and have 54, and I do. Life is good. I'm going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5 to play. We got double 3s for a 6, which means it's go time. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Rob takes round 1 with number 29. Donnie round 2. Sam takes round 3 with number 17. Clarence takes round 4. Clarence takes round 5, this time with number 41, bringing us to the ever-important final round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. And our winners are Dave, Dan, Sam, and Dan. Congratulations. Here's our verification code. We'll make it official. ZZTYKS. Dave and Dan. Looks like the 92 Olympics there. I think that's what it was. Anyway, congratulations to our winners. We'll see you next time, guys. Thanks a bunch. Oh, I'm done. Heavens, I skipped the last part. 9:16. I'm done. Excuse me. Heavens. We are done at 9:16. There it is. One last time. There's our winners. I got carried away there with the Dan and Dave thing. Sorry. Anyway, see you next time, guys. Thanks a bunch.